Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this tricky exponential equation here on the board. We have here, if 6 to the power of x equals x to the power of 18, we have to find the value of x that will satisfy this equation. Now, I put down here solution. I come down with the question 6 to the power of x equals x to the power of 18. Now, the first one I'm going to apply here is for me to raise both sides of this equation to the power of 1 over x. In that note, the equation becomes 6 to the power of x multiplied by 1 over x equals x to the power of 18, then multiplied by 1 over x. Then right here, x will eliminate x here, and we have 6 equals x to the power of 18 over x. Then again, I'm going to raise both sides of this equation to the power of 1 over 18. In that note, the equation becomes 6 to the power of 1 over 18 equals x to the power of 18 divided by x, then to the power of 1 over 18. Then right here, 18 will eliminate 18 here, and the equation becomes 6 to the power of 1 over 18 equals x to the power of 1 over x. Now, note that there's nothing wrong if I express this 6 to the power of 1 divided by 18 multiplied by 2 divided by 2. Okay, 2 divided by 2 will give you 1, but as such, this still remains the same. And base equals x to the power of 1 over x. Then in this case, there's nothing wrong if I write this way, 6 to the power of 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 18 multiplied by 2 equals x to the power of 1 over x. Now here, 6 to the power of 2, this will give you 36. Then to the power of 1 divided by 18 times 2 still give you 36 equals x to the power of 1 over x. When here by comparison, we can see that 36 equals x and 1 over 36 equals 1 over x. Then as such, x equals 36. And this is the value of x that will satisfy this given exponential equation right here on the board.